Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.
Hi, so it's my second day of meditating twice a day consistently. And I know it's not a lot, but still, I feel when I put it out there, it feels like I'm accountable and I'm responsible for something. And yeah, it makes me feel like I have done the most important thing that I had to, that is so close to my heart, that I keep talking about. तो अगर मैं खुद ही नहीं कर रही हूँ तो it does not make sense. I used to do it once a day regularly and now I've added twice a day वाला part because मुझसे हो ही नहीं रहा था no matter how much I tried. But yeah, now that I have gathered the strength to do it, things are easy. So last night itself, the night meditation, which is the most tricky one for me, I felt like मेरे में नहीं बची एनर्जी, मुझे सोना पड़ेगा. I don't think I will be able to do it and मेरा streak टूट जाएगा meditating twice a day वाला. But I again was reminded for about the things that I had read, both Paramahansa Yogananda और ओशो के जो पतंजलि योगा सूत्रास वाले पार्ट्स में बताया था कि your mind will do that. It will keep telling you that you're tired, leave it up to the next day, या फिर ये वो. And I was like, am I going to let my mind win? No, that's not happening. So yeah, I went ahead and started doing it. And while I was doing it, I saw how easy it was. Like बिल्कुल resistance नहीं था. It was just a moment of that मतलब मेरा mind trying to convince me the wrong things, and I could have given into it, but I did not. And after that, I did not feel any tiredness or मुझसे हो नहीं रही है चीजें. So yeah, I think as long as we conquer that one moment, it's all good. So I was also thinking of this question that all of us need to have at least one thing that makes us feel like we've won the day. वरना ये नहीं किया तो वो दिन वेस्ट हो गया, इसके बिना वो दिन का कोई मीनिंग ही नहीं है. आई नो आई एम गोइंग टू द एक्सट्रीम एट दिस पॉइंट, बट या फॉर मी दैट इज मेडिटेशन. It could be going to the gym for you or taking care of yourself or reading something. I don't know. Something that you do every day in terms of your well-being. इसमें कॉलेज और जॉब मत डाल देना. That is not, वो सभी कर रहे हैं and वो तुम्हारी somehow मजबूरी भी है कि अटेंडेंस के लिए जा रहे हो या पैसे के लिए जा रहे हो. वो सारी चीजें छोड़ दी तो तुम अकेले में क्या हो, तुम अकेले खुद की लाइफ के लिए क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले रहे हो, विच इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू यू, यूनिक टू यू काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. वो चीजों की मैं बात कर रही हूँ, वेर यू स्पेंड टाइम विथ योर सेल्फ अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर वर्ल्डली ड्यूटीज एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. बिफोर ऑल ऑफ दैट थिंग्स, like all of the notifications and yeah, the problems of the world take over you, what do you do that makes you feel like you've won the day? So yeah, think about it, give it some thought, and if you're not doing it, this could be a good time to reflect on that and be like, okay, am I doing anything to establish a connection with myself? And if you're not, it will come biting at you at some point. So not to scare you, but yeah, if you are feeling any kind of unhappiness or feeling behind in life, that's probably the reason why, because you don't have one winning task of the day that you do that makes you feel like अभी कुछ भी हो जाए I can handle it, because मैंने खुद के साथ वो connection establish कर दिया है before the world takes over me. And yeah, I'm undefeated now, kind of a thing. So there has to be one task that makes you feel that way, and where you let go of all your frustrations and worries. I've heard a lot when it comes to gym, a lot of people feel like that. And personally for me, that happens through my meditation, where I let go of all the ब्लॉकेज दैट आई हैड. मतलब जब मैं बैठती हूँ तभी मुझे रियलाइज होता है कि ओ माय गॉड, ये इतनी सारी चीजें थी जो मैंने अटेंशन नहीं दिया इसको, और ये भर चुका है अंदर तक. मुझे लगा था उस मोमेंट में, तुम्हें लगता है कि ना, दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू अफेक्ट मी एज मच, एंड बाद में कभी वो चीज आउट ऑफ नोवेयर आ जाती है, या फिर you feel sad out of nowhere, that is because your body keeps the score, and it has these hidden emotional blocks that you haven't given the time to heal. तो बैठना पड़ता है भाई खुद के साथ तब जाके वो चीज़ें सरफेस होती है. सो व्हेन आई डू सिट डाउन टू मेडिटेट, सो मेनी थिंग्स सरफेस जो मुझे तभी के लिए लगा हुआ कि ये तो मुझे अफेक्ट नहीं करेगी एंड आई एम ओवर इट. बट या, when I sit with it, I realize, oh, this was stored in my body. I did not know it was going to affect me that much, but it apparently has. तो जितना जल्दी वो blockage खाली हो उसी दिन हो जाए तो वो better है. And yeah, for me, the best way to channelize it is through meditation. Uh, but yeah, find your winning task of the day. Keep doing it every single day. And this is on a personal level, not on the worldly responsibilities level. So, yeah, this is something you are doing to take care of yourself and build a connection with yourself. I think मैं 4 बार बोल चुकी हूँ same चीज़, but you get it. You get it. So, yeah, just wanted to share about that in case you haven't already established in your life. And yeah, if you made it this far, thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.
Free audio post production by alphonic.com.